Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what the goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. We are in prime time now. Holiday rush is going. They got sales all week, and including Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and pretty much all of them. So definitely check them out. Save this to your wish list. This is CRUA monitor computer. It's a curve. Does have some curve to it, so not too shabby. Here we go. I already unboxed it, so it's already set up and everything, so we are good to go. 27-inch, full HD, 1080p, all that good stuff. There we go, super monitor. I'll be right back. So here we go. See, it got a little curve to it. I thought it would be a lot better one, like the Odyssey, the Samsung, but it'll do for the price. And the first curve that I have, and it's a nice monitor for stuff like that. I watched Thursday Night Football on it. Looks really good for sports. You can hook up your PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, Steam Deck, all that good stuff. Clear as day. Nice colors to it. But yeah, it has some curve though. I don't know if you guys can tell, but definitely check them out, guys. This is going to be a quick video. Like I said, it's pretty much simple. Curve monitor for your PC. And check them out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.